gathered here today to celebrate the 400th truck being manufactured in Craigavon, and I'm so pleased that we've had the opportunity to share this truck with Oxfam, the charity group. It's a great milestone for Craigavon and also for Northern Ireland. We've been manufacturing here for the last 35 years, and we continue to invest in our people and invest in our business, and we will continue to do that into the future. So I don't see any reason why we can't be standing here in another year or 2 years celebrating 500,000 trucks being manufactured and shipped from the Craigavon facility. The truck was given to Oxfam. We looked around at what charity we would get the most use from, and we talked to different charities. We visited the different charities, and we decided that with the humanitarian aid that they do offer, that they deserved it. They had a truck which is 25 years old, and I think it's time for it to be replaced. So we went to our board, and we got the approval through the charity committee in the US of A that we could take this on board, and it's great that we could donate this truck to Oxfam. Ton for us, our truck. What's special? It's a Yale truck. It's built to the service the application that's being used by Oxfam in Leicester, and we went there. We investigated the application, what they're moving, what they're doing back and forward, and like we said in the presentation, this truck is designed around Oxfam and what they actually need it for. I'm lost for words, actually. Being here when the first truck was being built, being here when the factory was being built, and being here today when the 400th truck is being handed over to Oxfam, words can't describe how proud I am of the workforce, of the company, of Northern Ireland. It's just outstanding.